What's up guys, Prashant here. Today I'm gonna give you a honest review on this vacuum cleaner, car vacuum cleaner from Bergmann. So as you can see, I ordered this from Amazon, got it in 3 days, and so this is how it looks. The content inside before opening up is given over here, which includes a car vacuum cleaner, nozzle attachment, brush attachment, detachable power cord, bag for storing it, user manual cum warranty card, and extra fuse inside. So let's dig in. Comes with a bag to store it, and this is the warranty card, and this is just a thank you letter for purchasing this product. And this is the cord through which the vacuum is connected. Brush. The quality of it is not that great, it's just average. Nozzle, I mean, this looks good, in good shape and good finish, good quality too. And you have the fuse in here, that's the extra one. And last, there she is. So this is that vacuum cleaner, kinda heavy, and the finish is awesome, looks classy, doesn't give that China-made look. On and off button is over here, and works fine, average quality. And the detachable thingy for the dust and other stuff's gonna collect is over here, which is detachable, and you can clean it. And so it's you can detach it like this, and the part where all the dust, stone and other particles collect is over here, and it's cleanable, and it's easy to detach and attach it too. I'm gonna join a video where how it works on my car, which has been like too long since I cleaned it inside. So guys, I fitted the nozzle on its brick. 2 weeks it's been since I cleaned it, and usually I use a brush to take them off, and it's quite difficult because towards these corners over here you can clump up all the dust over here, but over here, it even though like you keep scraping it, the dust particle eventually falls again at that same place, and it's very difficult to clean it up on edges like this. Like as you can see, all those minute sizes and medium sized rocks and other dust particles clump up. So guys, let's go. So guys, you can see the amount of dust and other stuffs just collected in the dirt box over here. It's detachable. You can then rinse it off under tap water after disposing these materials, these dust particles. As you can see, you can clearly see the difference before and after using the Bergmann vacuum cleaner. So definitely a thumbs up. I would rate it around 4 out of 5 for this vacuum cleaner. And I forgot to include the price of it. The MRP is $1,500 and I got it for a good deal in Amazon for $1,000. It's definitely a go. So if you like my video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Chill. Peace out.